Traders Master is working. Akashx is working. See, I just smashed more than going to $1,000 only in live session trading. You can see this account. Let me show you my trading history today, so that people will know that this Akashx is working. See, I made $1,026 just today. This is today's date. Look at it. For those who are doubting, this is today. Look at it here today. This is just 10 minutes trading or an hour trading. Look at it. This is today. See the time. This 5th of April, 12 noon. Yes, that's Nigeria time is 10 o'clock. Look at it. This is live trading. I just smashed $1,000 in my challenge account. Academy is the best. Akashx Academy is the best. If you are doubting, look at it. This is my second record. I thank God within 10 days I passed my first and second challenge. Come and join our team. We are the winning team. I thank God for Akashx. All glory to God. It's not about my power. Can you see it? Let me go and open my profile account so that you see that where it's reflected. Come and let's make money with Akashx. I just smashed more than $1,000. This is my account. I've logged in to my profile account. For those of us who are yet to, you are still doubting, or you are yet to join us, our team. This is a profile account. Can you see the money here? 10K. I'm going to check my challenge account. This is it. My challenge account. I traded here for, wow, see, yeah, I have passed the challenge. Now they say buy challenge now, because I have passed the first and second challenge. Let me go and check my email for congratulations. Please complete your KYC identity checks to receive your funded account. Means I have passed the challenge account. I'm now going to receive $10,000 funding to trade for life. Let me go to my email. I just smashed it. This is Monday morning in Nigeria. When you wake up, if you're in Nigeria, this is 10:35 a.m. Let me go to my email and check. See, Trader Master via accreditation. Congratulations. This is the message. Congratulations message. Stage 2 is in the books. What now? Hey Emmanuel, you are very close to fully funded account. Congratulations. I have done that. What next? Verify your identity to comply with regulations and ensure security of your account. We need you to complete to know your customer. So I need to do my work KYC now so that they will fund my account. This is it. This is my credentials. I'm on a look. Here is your certificate for Trade Mastery Funded Account Program. This is my certificate here. View certificate. They are giving me certificate that I have qualified. I will not be giving money, real money now. I'll be trading demo on this account. Now this is the real money I'm going to be giving. So this is the certificate. Stage 2 pass. Let me screenshot it. Stage 2 smashed by the grace of God. With God, all things are possible. Yeah. So if you are doubting, stop being doubting Thomas. This is real. It's working. If I can do it, I don't know Forex before. Me a crypto person I'm a crypto person. I don't know Forex. I just joined Forex just 2 weeks now. This is April. This is see again. See, look at it here. Let me show you very well. Look at it again here. $1,026 within an hour trading. See it here. I was giving 10,000 in this account. I took it to $1,500. Sorry, to $10,500 because that's the 5% to make in a month. This is to be made in a month. I made it in 5 days. So I thank God for everything. So let's move. If you are yet to join us, come and join our team. We are the winning team. This is Akashx. This is where I learned it. Can you see they give us signal? This is Forex alert, signals to trade. This is it. If you don't know how to trade, come and do tap to trade. Once you click here, tap to trade, to trade for you. You have no excuse unless you want to be in poverty, unless you have signed contract with poverty. But if you want to sign contract with wealth, come and join Akashx. If you are doubting, stop doubting. Check on the link in this video and click start. If you have any questions, chat me. I'll drop my number on the screen here. Ask me. I can guide you. I'll drop my number. Chat me. Join us. If you are trading Forex before, this is the best. This is the best academy. That one you are trading maybe better, but this is the best. Come and join us. Check out the description of this video and let's get started. Thank you for watching, and let's meet at the top of success.